Hi, welcome back. I'm going to water my soil blocks for the first time, and I'm going to bring you along. They are getting extremely dry, so I'm not going to put water on top of them, and I'm not going to put them even in this container. This container has holes on every side. I'm going to put water in this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bottom water these soil blocks and let them sit in it for, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. And then I'm going to drain the water that's in this pot and reuse it somewhere else. Just gonna let it sit and soak up some of that water, and then I will come back and show you what they look like. So hopefully it doesn't dislodge. You can still see the seeds. Maybe I need a little bit more perlite on top. Okay, it's been soaking up for about 10 minutes. Trying to decide if that's good enough. Okay, they took a good long drink. Now I'm going to drain all the water, and I'm going to put them back under the heat. They didn't fall apart. I wasn't going to do the heat, but I had a little bit of space back there for them.